ended up getting it like an hour ago. It was a used car, so it's not like brand new, but it's new to me. I'm really excited. So when I get home, I'll show y'all what it looks like. I'm gonna clean it and like give it a wash and detail it, and then put all the kid safety stuff in it and everything like that. Then I'm gonna put all the kids' car seats and just get my car all ready. I've never had a big vehicle before. I've always had that midget car, so I'm so excited that I have this car. From afar. Just a Honda Pilot.
Car.
So this is the back of the car. Have it filled up. I'm going to be cleaning it. These seats lay flat. Aiden's car seat. This has a latch. Then the car. These have built-in things. Has pockets. Well, not pockets, but car seat for Andrew. Aria's car seat goes here. I'm just gonna clean it, vacuum. Has a port for the headphones, charger, a fan, to have the TV, a controller. So, and this whole seat moves forward, so more legroom in the back. And this is I think it's a 2009, so it's in pretty good condition. It's a big white one. The only thing was this tape's coming off, but I can easily fix that. I can easily fix this also. I'm thinking about recovering it with some really pretty flowery fabric or something that matches. Probably not flowery. And then that side also is a little messed up. But this is what it looks like. I stole my husband's Star Wars thing, but yeah, so I'm going to be cleaning this today. It's not bad. I just want to, I drove it one time already, so I just want to clean it, get it all nice and clean before I put all the seat covers and everything in it. So what I'm doing is using this spray stuff my dad got me. Well, my dad uses to clean out his other cars. Yes, I'm wearing pajama pants. But I can use this to wipe everything down. And then I'm going to go back and wipe with a wet rag to get it all nice and clean. Yeah, that's what I'm doing now, cleaning out the car. Starting on the dash. My husband didn't want me to get a Suburban because of the gas mileage, so this is what I wanted instead of a minivan. He didn't want a minivan, so this is just what we got. But I'm going to show y'all cleaning it, putting everything in I need. We're going to have a beach trip this weekend, so trying to get everything ready. I'm gonna vacuum this, is a mat that I'm making on the back because we're going to the beach and I don't have time to order the correct mat. This is what you use on carpet so your office chair can roll, and I think I just got it from Walmart, but that's what I'm doing. I'm just measuring it out and then I'm just gonna cut it with scissors, and this will work until I buy an actual one. So I ended up putting this on here. I still need to trim it, but since this seat's going to be down so Aiden can get in the back, I put the back cover on. And then I have these single ones that I'm putting on each of these 3 seats. I have one under here so that I can put her car seat. This can stay down. If I need another car seat, just lift up and it's there. This I still need to fill, but I don't know if I'm going to keep this here or not. Might put this behind that seat, but that's what it's looking like. And I bought these at the 99-cent store to go in the sides right here of my seats. Comes with 2, and they just slip. And they're supposed to catch, I mean, they're supposed to be for, to put things in, but since it's so skinny, it's just gonna catch all the crap that falls. Let me show y'all. I ended up washing the car and hand drying it. Nice and clean.